Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a new kind of transportation that have spread all over Istanbul, the scooter, or the company which I'm making video of is Marti, the most spread one in Istanbul. To use this personal transportation system, all you need is an application and a bank account. So once you open the application, you can find the Martis or the scooters nearby you. You can just go over there. In the application, you have a lot of information, including the battery level of the scooter or Marti. The scooter or Marti is very convenient. As you can see, I have found one nearby my location, so I'm just going to open it. You can also reserve one through the mobile application if it's a little bit far from you, and if it's near you, you can just start unlock it and start driving it. The prices are very reasonable, and in the future I think so it will go down. Once you book the Marti, you just scan the QR code and it will be unlocked for you, and you can simply start driving. The scooter is light and big enough to be good for one person to drive anywhere inside the city. You have a small horn, the brake, the speed button, and the battery level over here, and on the front you have a small light so you can see the road in the night. The speed of the scooter is good enough. It's not that much fast so to make it dangerous for you while driving, and it's not that slow so you might just not reach your destination in enough time. So the speed is good enough. The best part of the scooter is it's affordable, it's very easy, you can just find it anywhere in the city, take it to your destination and then leave it over there. This new form of transportation is good. You can avoid the rushes, and also you can take it in between the roads and in between the small areas where the cars and bikes cannot go. Once you reach your destination, just lock the Marti or scooter and take a picture, send it in the application, and that's all. Marti is one of the most spread scooter company in Istanbul, but there are other companies also.